Making a good first impression on a date is key to setting the right tone for a potential relationship. Here are some tips to help you make that first date memorable and positive. 1. Be punctual. Arriving on time shows respect for your date's time and sets a responsible, considerate tone. Being late can create a negative first impression and start the date on a bad note. 2. Dress appropriately. Choose an outfit that makes you feel confident but is also suited to the occasion. You don't need to overdress, but showing effort in your appearance shows that you care about making a good impression. 3. Show genuine interest. Active listening is key. Ask thoughtful questions, show curiosity about your date's interests, and avoid talking too much about yourself. A balanced conversation helps create a connection. 4. Be yourself. While first dates can be nerve-wracking, authenticity is attractive. Trying to be someone you're not may come across as disingenuous, and it's better to be liked for who you are. 5. Stay positive. A lighthearted and positive attitude makes for a more enjoyable time. Avoid heavy or negative topics and focus on making the date fun and relaxed. Following these simple steps can create a great first date experience and leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching, following, and subscribing.